We'll be taking a look at DOLV, requested here quite a bit on investorshangout.com for us to take a look at right now. At 06 is the current price. 06, we went over this one on the 19th, a few days ago. That was going to put you guys right here where that red line is. That is the 19th when we went through this one live. And I said watch could go sideways for a day or so to the 10-day simple moving average at 0.480. Like I always say, I mean, right there, the low at 0.520. The 10-day simple moving average at that point was at 0.480. Again, I gotta say it again, is that when I say that, the moving averages, they move, okay? I gotta make that clear, and that's why I put the 10-day simple moving average at that current price. Here's the 10-day simple moving average following it up, and I said over here that I thought it was gonna go sideways back down to it. And I don't know how much more perfect of a call that you really need for that, but that's exactly what happened here. Pulled you down to the 10-day simple moving average at 0.567 is the current moving average for the 10-day. Okay, so you guys are right above that. Followed up below that, there's a lot of room down here if that 10-day simple moving average gives way. Okay, so if that gives way, look at, boom, you guys can go down by the time that comes up, maybe 0.420, 21, 24, right around that area, maybe even higher around the 0.450. Okay, you get the point. But if you look at the past here, look at the past. When you guys get that candle that's spinning, it follows up with a day of a gap up, and then boom, powered off of that twice now. It happened right here around that area, or down here rather, right around that area, spinning, and then boom, pulls back, and then boom, it went up. But then it pulled back 2 days here, exactly what you're seeing now. Look at how identical these candles are right here compared to what you see right here. I personally believe if this volume continues to pick up like it is, I think you're just going to continue to rally up higher. Hopefully start breaking that 0.7 area that really has become an issue for this one. Right around that 0.711, right there around that area. Okay, that high of that day was around that 0.730, but the open again around that 10 area. So that's what we're going to be watching for, that bounce. Watch for the volume to continue, and you guys will continue to bounce. You have a little bit of a resistance where it's at currently right now. I'll type in all those numbers. But again, there is a gap down here that we've talked about in the previous videos that you can see right here as well. But if that volume starts to weaken, it will go down to the 20-day simple moving average, in my personal opinion. But right now, I think you guys are on your way back up.
Right, so there's no recent updates since the last time I went over it with you. So if you have an opinion or you're looking to do more due diligence on DOLV, just go right over to that board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, so I'm going to put in my levels here. The resistance, like I said, that 0.6 seems to play a little bit of a role here, but my personal opinion, I think it's going to be closer to 2.7. So we're going to put that 2.7 in here instead of that 0.6. It seems to be a little bit at that 0.730. That's what we'll follow up with on this one as well. Support's going to be that 10-day. And then the 20-day. You'll have some in between there as well. 0.480 and then 0.350. But like I said, I would keep an eye on this one. I personally think that it's getting set up for its next move up. That's at least what I could see here. If history repeats itself, I said that the last time it was going to go sideways. This time I think it's going to be the other way around now. We'll watch to see if that 10-day simple moving average holds. And like I said, 0.613 watch, setting up for a next move. If volume drops off, it could pull down to the 20-day simple moving average. Okay, I got to put that in there because it's a possibility, but right now it doesn't look to be that case. Resistance at 0.627, 0.730, support at 0.566, 0.480, and 0.350. Keep an eye on DOLV moving forward, and we will check back on this one again next week. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We'd appreciate that very much, and join in on our next live show, investorshangout.com/live.